So today I'm going to show you using a regular iPhone app scanning 5mm codes, 10mm codes, and 20mm codes in data matrix, code 39, QR code, and code 128, and the speed of which we're going to start large and then come down to smaller. This is at roughly 2 feet, and I can get that 20mm just fine. We'll go ahead and do the QR code now. Got it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the data matrix. And it scans okay. I'll do the same test using a TC53e with the medium range SE55 scan engine. I have pick list mode enabled so that way I can just point and shoot. You'll notice the distances. We are now 4 feet away from the door. Let's go ahead and do the 10mm. Data matrix starting with it. Now we're not even reading that. That was about 4 inches away. Let's do the code 39, everything being equal. That was at about 8 inches away. And then the 10mm QR code. And then we're going to do the code 128. 10mm. And on that 10mm, we're about 8 inches away. Let's do the same with the 5mm, which is typical on a lot of production barcodes. So it will not read that, I bet. Nope, it won't read it. Let's move on to the code 39. It read it just fine. QR code. Will not read it, will it? It will not read it. And then code 128. Now this is below spec. The 5mm data matrix and 5mm QR code are out of spec for this particular scan engine.